Morning. Good morning, guys. How are you all doing? I hope you all slept well. So I'm just ironing and packing up our clothes. Blessing, please shift. I'm ironing and packing up our clothes because we are traveling, and I'm so excited. I'm not excited for ironing the clothes and packing them, but I'm excited for the traveling. You understand? The ironing is not even fun. I hate ironing clothes. Like, if there is one show you want to give to me, please do not ask me to iron your clothes. Don't tell me to iron any clothes, okay? I don't like it, but you know, sometimes we have to do it because there are some places you want to go and you don't need rumpled clothes. You need your clothes to be as straight as possible, okay? So that's why I'm ironing the clothes, and yeah, I'm ironing and putting them I'm ironing and putting them in the bag at the same time. You guys, selecting or sorting out these children's clothes, all these people that have more than 4 kids, I don't know how you people do it. Honestly, to do this, I will have to do the 4 of them. I'll do mine. Well, my hubby will do his because he's not a baby. Had it been we have only 1 child or 2, I would have said let me do his for him, but he went out. Whenever he comes back, he will do his own, and he totally understands. He's fine with that. It's not like if I don't do it, something will spoil. No, he can take care of himself when it comes to traveling. He can pack up his clothes, put his stuff together basically. So I'm just going to do for my kids and for myself as well. We are staying for 2 days, just 2 days, and we'll be back. All right. So let me quickly iron the clothes, pack them up, and we are leaving tomorrow. By the way, we are leaving tomorrow, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. All right, let me go and iron. There's no much time. I still have to make lunch. The kids have all gone out for their sports. I told you all in my previous vlogs that they are going for holiday sports. So for these 2 days that we are not going to be around, we have taken permission from the place where they are going for their sports, and they granted us the permission. So when we come back, they will continue from where they stopped, and that their holiday sports whatever is going to be lasting for 3 weeks. It's almost this whole August, just minus 1 week. So it's just 2 days. We'll be gone and we'll be back, and before you know it, 2 days is already over. Let me stop talking. Before you know it, now I'll start rambling. You know I can talk. See you guys later. Done ironing and packing Favour and the boys' clothes, both their church wears and their sleep wears. The one they are going to be wearing tomorrow to travel is already ironed. This is Favour's one right here. The boys' ones are in their wardrobe but this is what Favor is going to be wearing tomorrow. So right now it's remaining my own and that of Blessing, so let me go ahead and do that. I'm ironing Blessing's church wear. I love this jean skirt. It's a flayed skirt, so pretty. And this is one of the clothes they gifted her when I think I was still pregnant, or have I given birth before they gifted her this? I can't remember. From Ozitochi. That's what she will be wearing on Sunday. Yeah, I know you guys might be wondering, church wear, what church? So where we are going, I don't want to tell you guys where we are going right now. You guys will get to know definitely, but for now just keep guessing, okay? So from there we'll be going to church on Sunday. That's why I keep mentioning their church wear, their church wears. All right, so I'm done with this. Wow, so pretty. So pretty, right guys? See what is happening here. They actually gifted Blessing this thing too. You guys saw the first one I just ironed. Now you can see it there. That's the first one, and this is the next one, the second one. You can see the label is still there. I was looking for something in her wardrobe and I came across it. The thing is even rumpled, and this is the top. This is the top, but it's a long sleeve shirt, you see. But the other skirt, the one in the bag, came with this one, and this skirt is bigger than the other one. This one she can't even wear it now because it's very big, obviously, but the skirt is perfect for her. I've even tested the skirt on her, I mean the one in the bag, and it fitted her so well. But this one is, you know, bigger than her waist. Like, let me put it back here. Let me put it back here. Ozitochi brought one, and then our family friend Sister Esther brought one. So I don't know who brought which one. I'm confused right now. I don't know, but let me put this one back. Wow. Blessing's clothes done. It's remaining mine, just mine left. And I'm also going to be adding our towels, shoes, and other toiletries, you know. So once I add all of those, I'm done. Like, you guys, I've been here for more than 1 hour walking up and down. Anyways, let me do fast and look for what to eat. I'm famished. I'm so hungry. I've not eaten, and this is like 12 going to 1 p.m. Wow, you guys, I really enjoyed what I just ate now. This is actually my first time trying it. I saw somebody eating it. I don't even know what the person used to make it. I just saw somebody eating it, not like the person showed how to make it. So after looking at it, I pictured it in my head. I was like, I can't be able to do this, so I can't do it, you know. Even though I don't know what the person used. So I told you guys when I was ironing the clothes that I was feeling so hungry. So I came inside the kitchen. I was like, what should I eat? Should I eat real food, or should I do that? Because I already had that in mind since 2 days ago, that someday I was going to make it and see how it looks and how it tastes. So today I finally decided to make it for myself, and I was blown away. So good, so yummy with the almond milk. Super delicious. But the only downside is that the thing is a little bit messy. But if you can be able to handle the messiness you will totally enjoy it. It's so good, so refreshing with the fruits, the whipped cream, and the bread. The bread is wheat bread. You can use white bread, any bread you like, any bread of your choice. Just try this. It is so good. I'm telling you, so yummy. I really enjoyed it. I can't wait for my kids to try it as well. I know Favor will definitely love it, but for the boys I'm not sure, but I'm sure Favor is going to love it. Anyways, I'm almost done with packing, so you guys will not be seeing my face again until tomorrow when we are leaving. I don't know how it will go in terms of vlogging. I don't know if I'll be carrying you guys throughout the journey, but I'll let you guys know that we are leaving and probably show you guys when we arrive at our destination. I know you are still wondering, where are these people going? Don't worry, you guys will get to see all of that in my next clips. So stay tuned. If you are enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I shall see you guys tomorrow.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much